Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to do the remaining problems in exercise 8 from the chapter fractions. Okay, the third question, 3, 4, 5 questions now. The third question is Mallika has a 4 by 5 meter ribbon. She cut off half of it. Okay, she cut off half of it to tie on her hair. What length of the ribbon did she cut? Here the total length of the ribbon is 4 by 5 meter. He cut off half of it. Okay, now we are going to find the length of the ribbon she cut. Okay, for that, by using multiplication, we are going to find out the length of the ribbon. So, solution. Length of the ribbon is length of the full ribbon is 4 by 5 meter. Now we are going to find the length of the ribbon she cut. Length of the ribbon she cut. To find it out, half of the full ribbon, isn't it? She cut it half of full ribbon. So we have to write half means 1 by 2. Half of the length of the full ribbon is 4 by 5 meter. This is half of 4 by 5 meter is the length of the ribbon she cut. Here now we have to simplify it. Instead of we have to use multiplication symbol. So we will get 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 meter. Now we have to check whether there is any possibilities to reduce the numerator and denominator numbers. See the numbers 1, 4, 2 and 5. Here we can reduce 2 and 4 in 2 table. In 2 table 1 time, in 2 table 2 times. Any other possibilities? Here 2 and 5 are prime numbers, so we can't reduce it. So we have to multiply the numbers, numerator numbers and denominator numbers separately. So numerator 1 into 2, 2 divided by in denominator 1 into 5, 5. So 2 by 5 meter. This is the length of the ribbon she cut. Is it clear, children? Here the length of the full ribbon is 4 by 5 meter. She cut the ribbon, half of it. Okay. So we are writing 1 by 2 of the length of the full ribbon, that is 4 by 5 meter. Then instead of we have to use multiplication symbol. Then we are reducing it. Then we got 2 by 5 meter. This is the length of the ribbon she cut. Okay. The next question. In a half an hour TV program, 1/10 of the time. Here, the time duration of the TV program is half an hour. 1/10 of the time is taken up by advertisements. Okay. Now, what fraction of an hour is taken up by advertisement? How many minutes is that? Now, we are going to find out the time taken by the advertisements. Okay. The duration of the TV program is half an hour. From that, 1/10 of the time is taken up by the advertisements. Now, first we are going to find the time taken by advertisement in fraction as well as in minutes. Okay. Let us start the solution. Time duration of the TV program. Is equal to half hour, half an hour. Okay. Now we are going to find out the time taken by the advertisements. time taken by the advertisements. Is equal to 1/10 of the TV program. So 1/10 means 1/10, half hour. Okay. Now instead of we have to use multiplication symbol. So we will get 1/10 into half hour. Now we have to check whether there is any possibilities to reduce. Here in numerator 1 and 1, in denominator 10 and 2. Here in numerator 1 alone is there, so we can't reduce the fractions. So we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator. Okay. So we will get 1 into 1, 1, 10 into 2, 20. Now we got the time in fraction, the time taken by the advertisement in fraction. Time taken by the advertisement. Now we got the time in fraction. Now we are going to find the time taken in minutes. We know that 1 minute is equal to, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Isn't it? Here we are having 1/20 hour. So 1/20 hour is equal to 1/20 into 60 minutes. Okay. Here we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now we are having 1/20 hour. To convert it into minutes, we are multiplying it by 60. Then we have to reduce. We can cut the 0, 1 0 1 0. Then we can reduce the numbers in 2 table 1 time, in 2 table 3 times. Now we have to multiply, that is 3 minutes. Okay. So 1/20 hour is equal to 3 minutes. Now this is the time taken by the advertisement in minutes. 1/20 hour. This is the time taken by the advertisement in fraction. Is it clear? Let us write the answer. Time taken by the advertisement is 1/20 hours. This is in fraction, that is 3 minutes. Okay, this is in minutes. So the time taken by the advertisement is 1/20 hours. In minutes, that is 3 minutes. Is it clear, children? The next question, the cost of 1 kg salt is rupees 10 1/2. What is the cost of 2 1/3 kg? Here the cost of 1 kg salt is given. From this, we are going to find the cost of 2 1/3 kg. From 1, we are going to find out many. So what we have to use? Multiplication. Let us start the solution. Cost of 1 kg salt is equal to rupees 10 1/2. Now we are going to find the cost of 2 1/3 kg salt. So we have to multiply the cost of 1 kg salt into 2 1/3. Now see these two fractions. These two fractions are mixed fractions. First we have to convert it into improper fraction. For that what we have to do? we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then we have to add the numerator. Okay. So 2 tens are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. In numerator, we have to write this number, and the denominator, the same denominator 2. So that is rupees 21 by 2, the first fraction. Then the second fraction, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then the same denominator number 3. Now we got improper fraction. Now we have to check whether there is any possibilities to reduce the fractions or not. See the numbers 21, 7, 2, 3. See the numbers 21 and 3. We can reduce these two numbers in 3 table. In 3 table, 1 times 3. In 3 table, 7 times 21. Isn't it? Check again. Here in numerator now we are having 7 and 7. In denominator 2. 7 and 2 are prime numbers, so we can't reduce it again. So we are going to multiply the numerator number separately and denominator number separately. So 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49, and 2 into 1, 2. Here 49 by 2. 49 by 2 is an improper fraction. See the numerator is greater than the denominator. This is an improper fraction. So we have to convert the improper fractions to mixed number. For that, we have to divide the numerator number 49 by the denominator. So 49 divided by 2. So 2 is the one digit number. So we have to take the first digit alone. In 4, 2 twos are 4. We have to subtract 4 minus 4, 0. Now we have to take the next number 9. In 9, 2 fours are 8. Again we have to subtract, we will get 1. Now we have to write in the form of quotient as a whole number and remainder by divisor as a fractional part. Quotient as a whole number and remainder by divisor as a fractional part. Here which is quotient? Here 24 is the quotient. So 24 is a whole number part and remainder is 1 and divisor is 2. So 24 1 by 2 is the required mixed fraction. So this is the cost of 2 1 by 3 kg salt. Cost of 2 1 by 3 kg salt is equal to rupees 24 and half. Is it clear? Let us write the answer statement. The cost of 2 1 by 3 kg salt is equal to rupees 24 1 by 2. Okay. From the cost of 1 kg salt, by using multiplication, we are finding the cost of 2 1 by 3 kg salt. Is it clear? For that, first we are converting the mixed numbers into improper fractions. After that, we are reducing it. Then finally, here we are getting an improper fraction. Again, we are converting into mixed number. So at last we got 24 1 by 2 rupees. This is the cost of 2 1 by 3 kg salt. Was it clear, children? Okay. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.